Hello my students, how are you? Today we are going to talk about an important math concept called ordering and comparing of natural numbers. Lesson 3, exercise 3 from gym book. Question number 1. Write by Liaison method the set of numbers represented in each case. Letter A, we have straight line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we limited 1, 3, 5, 6. It's a natural number. We can write here in the brackets 1 and 3 and 5 and 6. Letter B, we have infinity, even number 0, 2, 4, 6. We can write 0 and 2, 4, 6, and so on to infinity because it's infinity element. It was prime numbers or even numbers. It was even numbers. Look at with me here. He limited one digit here. He will write 5 because he was limited one element here in the straight line. It's okay. Question number 2. Arrange each of the following numbers ascendingly. Then represent them on the number line. We can arrange it ascendingly from smallest to greatest. 0, 2, 4, 5, 7, and 9. The order we can write here 0, 2. It's very easy about you because its element was clear. 0, 2, 4, and 5. 0, 2, 4, 5, 7, and 9. You can represent it in the straight line 0, 2, 4, 5, and 9. Okay, we can represent them on the number line such that 0, 2, 4, 5, 9 only, and then you can using your ruler to draw line segment opposite this number line and drop from it to any element. Now you can draw this number line opposite number line, so straight line here and drop to the limited point, and then drawing ray to the point. Question number B, 5, 0, 3, 4, and 9. You can limit it in the number line. First 0, 3, 0, 3, 4, 5, and the last number would be 9. 0, 3, 4, and 5, 9. And then drawing by your ruler straight line parallel to the limited point from 0 to 9, and then drop small line segment and draw the ray to the point. Question letter C, 7, 8, 6, 4, and 0. We can write 0, 4, 6, and 7, and 8. And then can limit it all element here 0, 4, 6, 7, where 7 here, and 8. And then drawing by your ruler draw a straight line parallel to the limited point and drop line segment here, and then you are finished about this example. Question number 3. Represent the set x union y on the number line. We have x equal 1, 2, 4, 5 and y equal 5, 6, 7. Then find x intersection y. Okay, first we can write x union y here. Write all elements in x and y and don't repeat any element from x and y in these brackets. First we can write 1, 2, 4, 5 and then you can write all element in y here. Don't repeat 5, write first time here. Don't write 5 again. Okay, you must write 6 and 7 and then you must drawing number line here. And you can limit it all point here from 1 centimeter, the distance between each 2 point, and you can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and limited 1, 2, 4, 6 and 7, and then drawing straight line from 1 to 7. One, 2, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and then draw ray to each point. Question number 1. Then find x intersection y. We can write the common element between x and y in these brackets. We have 5 only, so you have one element here, and then drawing number line, and you can limit it this point here, and the distance between each point equal 1 centimeter beginning by 0, and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have only digit here will be 5. Another question. Question 4. Represent each of the following seats on the number line. You can solve it with yourself. X equals 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. You can draw number line and delimited all point and draw line segment parallel to straight line and then drop from to this point. And letter C, you can solve it first. We have this sign intersection between two sets 0, 2, 6 and 2, 5, 6. We have two elements common between them, 2 and 6. So the intersection between two sets equal 2 and 6. We have union 6, 7 and 8. Don't write 6 again because you write it here. As a bracket you must write each element one time. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 5, 7, 9. The difference between two sets will be 9 and 5 because we have 3 and 7 here. 3, 7. We can cancel it from this set, as the result will be 5 and 9. Question 5. If A, B, C, D, A, and E E, B, C, D, and E are natural numbers, and they are represented on the number line in as shown on the figure below. A, B, C, D, E. Complete using less than or more than given the reason. Okay, A and B. We know B more than A because B is in the right hand side between A. A less than B because A lies to the left of B. Again, A less than B because A lies to the left of B. C and A, C more than A. Each element coming right hand side will be more than. C more than, greater than E because C lies to the right of E. Letter E, E and D. A less than D because A lies to the left of D. E lies to the left of D. B and E, B and E, B less than E because B lies left, lies to the left because B lies to the left of E. E and B, E more than B because E lies to the right of B. D and C, D more than C because D lies to the right of C. Arrange the present letters ascendingly from smallest to greatest. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, and E. Question number 6. Write the following by Nathan method and then represent them on the number line. I will solve it with you. Write the following by Nathan method and you can drawing it in your number line. It's very easy for you, okay? Question letter A. The set of natural numbers is greater than 5. Greater than 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Because it's infinity set. I will draw this because it's infinity and I will solve it with you because we haven't drawn such that this example is more. 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11. He want to find the set of natural numbers greater than 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and to infinity. You can draw the ray parallel to straight line beginning from 6 to infinity. It's easy for you. Okay. Again, set of natural numbers greater than 5 will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to infinity. Letter B. The set of natural numbers less than 7. Less than 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Set of prime numbers less than 14. 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. 13. You want to find the prime numbers less than 14. We know the prime numbers has only two factors, 1 and itself, such that 2 can divide it by itself and 1. 3 can divide it by itself and 1. So all these numbers was prime numbers. All numbers were prime numbers. Okay. Set of factors of 12. We have 1 and 12 because 1 multiplied 12 equal 12. 3 and 4. 3 times 4 equal 12. 2 multiply 6 equal 12. All this number, the set of factors of 12. Set of prime factors of 30. 30 can divide it by 2 and 3 and 5. It was a set of prime factors of 30. 30 can divide it by 2 and 3 and 5 from prime numbers. The set of odd numbers. Odd numbers infinity set. Beginning by 1, and we will add 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. Set of even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, and so on. It's infinity. Set of natural numbers between 1 and 4. Natural numbers between 1 and 4 will be 2 and 3. Set of natural numbers between 2.35 hundredths and 9.7. We know 2.35 lies between 2 and 3, so the natural number coming after this decimal number will be 3, because 3 more than 2.35 hundredths. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The last number will be 9, because 9 more than 9 or less than 9.7 lies between 2.35 hundredths and 9.7. Right, more than or less than or equal to 908, 9008, right, less than. Again, 908, 9008, 9008 more than 908. 5075, 5057. We were right. The sign, because 5075 more than 5057. 2239, 2229. Right, this sign, because it was greatest. X plus 18, x plus 17, which more? X plus 18 more than, because x pulling to natural number. X subtract 18, x subtract 17. X is the natural number greater than 20. You can put here any number more than 20, such that 22 here, and x will be 22. 22 subtract 18, 22 minus 18, the result will be 4. 22 minus 17, the result will be 5. So 4 less than 5. If x belongs to a set of 30, 21, 32, 33, then x space 75. We know all elements less than 75. If y belongs to a set of 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, then y will be more than 18 because y was the element belong to this set such that 24 more than 18. And the letter F, x is the element belong to this set 30, 21, 32, 33. So x each element from this set x is then 75. Letter H, if z belong to a set of 35, then z equal 35 because z was the element. Question number 8. Write the following by Latin methods and represent them on the number line. I will solve it with you by Latin method, and you can draw in your notebook the present on the number line. It's easy for you, okay? But you want to find the solve first by Latin method. A belonging to n, a less than 5. We can write 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 only because we want to find the natural number less than 5. Z equals set of a such that a belonging to n, a less than 9. You can write z equal all elements less than 9. You can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The last number will be 8. Letter E. M equals set of A such that A belonging to n, A more than or equal to 2, A less than 5. So you can write all element lies between 2 and 5 and write 2 because A equal 2. A more than or equal to, we can write 2, 3, and 4 only because we want to find the element less than 5. T equals set of A such that A belonging to n, A more than 0 and less than 4. So T will be 1, set of 1, 2, and 3. Y equals set of A such that A belonging to n, A less than or equal to 1. Y equal 0 and 1 only. L equals set of A such that A belonging to n, A more than or equal to 3. So L will be set of 3, 4, 5, and so on because it's infinity set. F equals set of A such that A belonging to n, A more than 8, less than or equal to 10. So F equals set of 9 and 10 because we have this sign. Can you solve it? Can you see? It's easy, it's clear for you. A more than 8, less than or equal to 10. Question F. A equals set of A such that A belonging to n, A more than or equal to 3, less than 7. So A equal set of 3 and 4 and 5, and the last digit will be 6. Rewrite the following statement using more than or equal to, less than or equal to. X is less than 7 and greater than or equal to 1. We can represent it here. X less than 7 or greater than or equal to 1. Greater than or equal to 1. Y lies between 11 and 17. Y more than 11, less than 17. 10 is greater than or equal to Z. 10 is greater than or equal to Z. So Z less than or equal to 10. Z lies between 14 and 7. Z more than 7 and less than 14. Complete each of the following. The least odd number is 1. The least prime numbers is what? The least prime number will be 2. The smallest two-digit natural number is 10. The smallest two-digit natural number 10. The greatest three-digit natural number is 999. It's okay. The least even numbers between 24 and 33 is. You want to find the least even. Look at with me this word. The least even number between 24 and 33 will be 26. Question letter F. 4 consecutive natural numbers. The greatest of them is x plus 7 are. Again, you want to find 4 consecutive natural numbers. The greatest of them is x plus 7. We know natural numbers, x plus 7, the last natural number from this number will be x plus 6 and x plus 5 and x plus 4 and x plus 1 plus 3, because you want to find 4 consecutive natural numbers. The greatest of them is x plus 7 are x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5, x plus 6, x plus 7. So the result will be from x plus 4 to x plus 7. Okay, this is the solve about this equation. Again, 4 consecutive natural numbers. The greatest of them is x plus 7 are x plus 4, x plus 5, x plus 6, x plus 7. It's okay. Question number 9. 5 consecutive natural odd number. The greatest of them is y plus 15. You want to find the 5 consecutive natural odd number. You can subtract 2 from this digit, because the odd numbers beginning by 1 and the second will be 3, he will eat 2 in the same time. Okay, so if you want to find the last number before y plus 15, you must subtract 2 from this number. The result will be y plus 13. It's okay, and you can subtract 2 from y plus 13. The result will be y plus 11. Subtract 2 from 11. The result will be y plus 9. Subtract 2. The result will be y plus 7. It's okay for you? Okay, if you want odd number or even numbers, you must do this method. Subtract 2 if you want to find the last digits, or before. If you want the after digit, you must add 2. If the middle number of 3 consecutive natural odd numbers is y, then the other 2 numbers are space and base, and the least value of y is space. Again, if the middle number of the 3 consecutive odd number is y, such that we know odd number 1, 3, 5. So we have 3 is the least value of y, because we have 3 consecutive natural odd numbers. Then the other 2 numbers will be y subtract 2 and y plus 2. And the least value of y will be 3. It's called 3, the least value of y. We can subtract it from 3. 3 subtract 2 equal 1, and 3 plus 2 equal 5. But if you get 1, If you subtract 2 from 1, you will have the negative number, but you want to find the natural numbers. These numbers you will study it in the grade 6 about whole numbers and natural numbers and all the irrational number and irrational numbers and z. Okay, but in this day or in this year you must do all numbers about natural, such as 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. It's even numbers. Natural numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the least value of y will be 3, because 3 we can subtract 2 from it, but 1 we can subtract 2 from it. Is it clear with you? Okay. Question 11. Given you equal x such that x belonging to n, x more than 3 or less than or equal to 11, x equal 4, 5, 9, set of 4 and 5 and 9, and y equal set of y such that y belonging to n, y more than or equal to 5, y less than or equal to 11, then find each of the following and represent the result on the number line. Okay, we can solve it. We can write all elements about universal set U equal set of x such that x belonging to n, x more than 3 less than or equal to 11. We can write 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, because we have this sign less than or equal to 11, so you must write 11 here. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Y equal set of y such that y belonging to n, y more than or equal to 5, less than or equal to 11. We will write 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. We have x equal set of 4 and 5, 9. Then find each of the following and represent the result on the number line. Okay, letter A, x difference y. I will solve it with you, but you can draw it. You will complete the solve in your notebook. Draw your number line by ruler and limited all the element about this number line. Okay, it's very easy for you. I will solve it with you. X difference y. We have 4, 5, 9 in x, but in y we haven't the element 4. We haven't 4, so x difference y, the result will be 4. We have 5 and 9 in y, so the element which inside x and without y will be 4 only. X difference y, it's meaning all element lies in x and don't lie on y. It will be 4. X complement union y. We'll solve x complement first. X complement here, or x dash. We will write all element in universal set without an x. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 6. We will complete all element from universal set. 6, 7, 8. We have 9 here. We can cancel 9 and 4 and 5 and write 6, 7, 8, 10 and 11. So we can find x complement universal, x complement from universal, and then write x complement union y. We will add this digit 6, 7, 8, 10, 11 and all element in y, and don't repeat element here, don't repeat. We will write 5, 6, Don't write 6 because it was here. You write it before. 6, 7, 8, 9. Write 9 here. 10, 11. Stop. Don't write anything after that, okay? So x complement union y will be the set of 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 5, and 9. X complement intersection y complement. So you must find y complement first, or y dash. We will complete it from u. Look at with me. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. We will write 4 here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again, 4. We must write 4 here to complement. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We write 4. So y complement will be 4 only. Then you can write x complement union intersection y complement. X complement intersection y complement, we haven't any element. So the intersection between x complement and y complement will be null set phi. It's okay for you? Okay. Question number 12. If A, B, C, and D are 4 natural numbers where D more than A, B less than C, C less than D, B less than D, and B more than A, then arrange this represent on the number line. We can arrange this. It's very easy, but you must pay attention about this example. You must order it. If you write A, B, C, D, A less than D, B less than C, C less than D, and B is more than A, and B less than D. It's okay. So you can represent it in your number line. It's okay for you? You can represent all elements here and then arrange ascendingly A, B, C, D on the number line, okay? Question number 2. If x, y, z, l, and m are 5 natural numbers where l less than m, l less than x, l less than x less than m, m less than l less than x less than m, m less than z, and y less than l, y less than l. Okay, you can represent it in your number line. It's very easy for you. You can draw the number line here. And then write all element, the distance between each of them equal 1 centimeter. And first write y, l, x, m, z. It's all questions about question number 3. You must study hard about these questions and pay attention about all examples such that question letter 10. It's very important about this question, very important, and you must solve it again in your notebook. Okay, thank you my students, goodbye.